Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on 24th of January 2022. So this environmental science quiz is conducted every week on Monday on this platform to prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrances and to know something about our environment. And today here we are also going to announce the name of the top performer of the month who is going to receive the cash prize. So without much delay, let's get started. So those who are new to this channel and they don't know the rules for participating in this quiz contest, you can pause this video and go through all these rules. So let's discuss the question number 1. The first question was, at which of the following places first global conference on depletion of ozone layer was held? And among these 4 options, the correct option will be option number B, Vienna. Yes, the Convention for the Protection of the Ozone Layer was adopted in the conference at Vienna on 22nd of March 1985. So you should note down all these things, very important for the environmental science entrances. Vienna Convention in 1985 and the Montreal Protocol on the substances that deplete the ozone layer was an international treaty which was organized in 1987. So Montreal Protocol 1987 and the base was put in Vienna in 1985 22nd March for the protection of the ozone layer. Let's move to the second question. Second question is on our screen. The question was, which among the following is the most abundant greenhouse gas in the Earth's atmosphere? And the options were carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane or tropospheric ozone. So here among the 4 options, the correct option will be water vapor. Yes, water vapor has the highest percentage which is a greenhouse gas in the Earth atmosphere, but it is not that much harmful because its global warming potential is very low. Yes, global warming potential is determined from its atmospheric residence time also. So in atmosphere, average residence time of the water vapor is only 9 days. So this is the very shortest span the water vapor lives or reside in the atmosphere, but as compared to carbon dioxide, methane, they are very high lived in the atmosphere. That's why they are more dangerous than the water vapor, which is also a greenhouse gas, but its concentration is maximum in our atmosphere. Let's move to the next question. Third question was, which of the following statements about HFCs are correct? So HFCs means hydrofluorocarbon. Here hydrogen will be there, fluorine will be there, and also carbon will be there. So here the first statement was, HFCs are heat trapping and ozone depleting chemicals. Second statement was, HFCs are also called super greenhouse gases. So here among the 2 statements, only statement 2 is correct because HFCs are not ozone depleting chemicals. They are not having chlorine, so they are not ozone depleting chemicals, but yes, they are called as super greenhouse gases. So super greenhouse gas, they are CFCs and other fluorocarbons, that means carbon along with fluorine, those who are having, they will be called as super greenhouse gas because they trap the heat more than thousands times as compared to the heat trapped by the carbon dioxide, which is also a greenhouse gas, on a pound for pound basis. So what is the measurement scale? It is on a pound for pound basis where the super greenhouse gases traps the heat 1000 times more than the carbon dioxide. I hope you have noted down all these things. Let's move on to the next question. So next question, for some of you it will be a new concept. Let us read the question first. The question was, the rat hole mining is mainly used for dash in India. So here this rat hole mining is mainly used for the coal mining in India. So option A will be correct, and you should know that it is a primitive and hazardous method of mining. It is not good for the environment. Any mining is not good for the environment, but here specifically rat hole mining is very dangerous. Why it is called as rat hole? Because in this kind of mining, the miners used to dig the tunnels that are only 3 to 4 feet in diameter. So very small diameter, that's why it is called as rat hole, because rat holes are very small in diameters, and it is mainly carried out in the northeast regions of India. You should note down, shifting cultivation done in northeast India mostly. Also this one, that is rat hole mining, it is mostly practiced in the northeast regions of our country. And here this mining practice is actually banned by the National Green Tribunal NGT when it was enacted. So similarly, I used to tell you that you should reconnect the concept while solving any question. You're answering this question, that is rat hole mining, but if it comes National Green Tribunal, you should automatically get clicked into 2010, that is National Green Tribunal Act was enacted in 2010. So these things, by these things if you do, you will be able to revise very easily. So this was banned by this team, this tribunal, National Green Tribunal, because it is resulting in the water pollution and death of many aquatic species. So why it was banned? It is banned because it is causing water pollution and death of many aquatic species. Let's move to the next question. Next question number 5 was, which of the following are declared by the state government? And what are the options? The options were, A option was national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, option B was wildlife sanctuaries and tiger reserves, and option C was none of these, option D was both A and B. So here the correct option will be option number A only. Yes, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are declared by the state governments, but tiger reserves are not declared by the state government. It is the authority given to the central government. So we'll know in the next slide, very important concept from the tiger, that is Project Tiger and Tiger Reserve. So this tiger reserves in our country comes under the Project Tiger. So when was this Project Tiger launched? It was launched in the year 1973. So this thing you should note down. That's why I am making this video, because you should note down these things, very frequent asked question. And this was later given the statutory backing by the amendment of the Wildlife Protection Act in 2006. So when it was given the statutory backing by the Wildlife Protection Act in 2006, and thus NTCA was created. What is this NTCA? National Tiger Conservation Authority was created, and this NTCA is responsible for the implementation of the Project Tiger plan throughout the country to protect the endangered tigers. And it comes under, which comes under? This NTCA comes under the central government. So central government declares the tiger reserves, though the state governments can send their proposals and the request to the NTCA, but central government declares the tiger reserve. So I hope this was very useful for you. You have noted down. And now it's time to reveal the results for this quiz contest. So let's move on to the results part. So here the results is on our screen. So Varsha Bakia Gopalakrishnan, Khadija Samreen have secured 5 out of 5 marks correctly in this quiz contest. And other participants who have also done well are Akash Kumar, Tanu Gangwar, Ishan Khan, Geeta Sharma and Sohavani. So congratulations to all of you. Thanks for participating in this quiz and making it a successful one. And now the much awaited, the top performer of the month award goes to Ishan Khan. So congratulations to Ishan Khan for securing 19 out of 20 among the 4 quizzes conducted throughout this January month of 2022. So you are the top performer. Congratulations. Keep up the good work, and you are the example to many. So keep it up. See you guys in our next video. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification to get all further updates. And yes, you can join our Telegram group for regular quizzes for the environmental science entrances and our Instagram page for the current affairs. So both the links will be provided in the description. Go and check it out. See you guys in our next video. Keep smiling and believe in yourself.